Hello and welcome to another SEO tutorial. We recently published a tutorial explaining how to publish a live photo to your Facebook business page. One thing you need to be aware of is that live photos also record background audio that you may not always want on your Facebook video. We received a lot of questions about how to take a live photo without audio, and here's how you do it. Open your Photos app on your iPhone or iPad and select the photo you wish to edit. In the upper left, you'll see the live icon indicating that it's a live photo. In the upper right, click on Edit. And then in the bottom left, you'll see the speaker icon. Click on that and you'll get the slash indicating that the audio is turned off. On the mid left, you'll see the live icon indicating that it's still a live photo. In the upper right, click on Done. And now you have a live photo with no audio. And this tutorial was recorded in this landscape mode, so depending on how you're holding your phone, the icons will be in different positions. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and come on over to BTFOOM.com for more helpful SEO tutorials.